Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam. I wanted to make a quick reactionary video to Corsair Gaming. It is down 7.34% after hours. When you finally think the stock couldn't go any lower, looking at the last 6 months, this one has been very ugly, down pretty much 20%. And when you think it finally could be potentially recovering, and today looking pretty steady, and then dropping like a rock. Alright, so why is this happening to shareholders? So Corsair Gaming, preliminary third quarter revenue, misses consensus, and cuts fiscal year guidance. So this report is kind of like a guidance toward the next upcoming quarterly earnings coming up in November, I think. So Corsair Gaming, a leading global provider and innovator of high-performance gear for gamers and content creators, today announced preliminary unaudited results for the quarter ended September 30, 2021, and updated 2021 financial outlook. The company also announced the date for the release of its third quarter earnings and its presentation at the upcoming investor conferences. CEO of Corsair, Andy Paul, commented, "We continue to see 2021 as a strong growth year over the exceptional results from 2020 and building on the acceleration of gamers and streamers buying gear for the first time or upgrading faster than in the past. We are several years ahead of our growth expectations before our IPO in 2020 and believe that this is setting a new base for us to grow on. Despite this backdrop of growth, we believe that our 2021 net revenue has been held back at least 10% by global logistics and supply chain issues, especially by the lack of affordable GPUs in the retail channel. After a slow start to the third quarter of 2021, we have seen a return to more typical seasonal ordering, with September being the strongest month of the quarter. As a result, for the third quarter ended September 30, 2021, we expect net revenue to be approximately $391 million. Based on what we know today, we are also updating our 2021 annual net revenue guidance to $1.825 billion, and I believe this is a typo. It should say, instead of to, it should say from $1.925 billion. We intend to update our 2021 guidance for adjusted operating income and adjusted EBITDA when we release our third quarter earnings release on November 2nd, 2021. I'm bullish on the stock myself, as the stock is very undervalued based on different valuation metrics, but on top of that, they seem extremely optimistic about the long-term game. Again, short-term right now, things suck with the supply issues and supply chains, and the economics of things have just been all over the place lately. And despite all of this refreshing, we're still down 6.45% after hours. And taking a look at the candlesticks, let me put it on the 1-day time frame. So we're currently at this blue line right now after hours. This is exactly the support line from back earlier in October, as well as the middle of August. And actually, when we zoom out near the IPO from last year back in October, we did see some buying pressure as well at these levels, but again, nothing too solid that I would feel that confident in saying that's a solid support. I mean, it's pretty clear in the relative short term that was the support. So it'll be interesting to see where we open up tomorrow and if we hold whatever level that is, or if we buy it right back up, or if we continue selling off. Let me know in the comments below what you think of Corsair. Have you lost a ton like me? Are you bullish long term? What are your thoughts in the short term? Let me know, guys. As well as always, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.